in the dusty corridors of Bari's dilapidated hostels and the perched, forgotten plots of rural Macheke, a silent tragedy is unfolding. The men and women who once carried the weight of the nation's liberation on their shoulders are dying. They are not failing to slow, predictable march of old age, but to a ruthless combination of systemic neglect, crushing poverty, and a bureaucratic machine that seems designed to wait for them to expire. The heartbreaking truth behind the sudden increase in war veterans' deaths. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. While the ruling elite in Harare gather air-conditioned halls to toast to their living history of the liberation struggle, the actual authors of that history are being buried in purpose graves. Our investigation reveals a shocking reality, a surge in deaths among ex-combatants that has sounded an alarm even within the corridors of power, exposing the moral rot at the heart of Zimbabwean state. To understand the depth of the betrayal, one must look past the patriotic rhetoric of Independence Day in the settlement of Macheke. We visited the home of Comrade Mrambiwa Njuru, known during the Bush War as Amigo Madinyika. For 44 years, the men who fought for the land lived in what he described as a squalor. Njuru was one of the lucky ones. In March 2025, he was handed the keys to a modern solar-powered house under the new presidential scheme. But for every Njuru, there are thousands of others still waiting in the shadows, their wealth failing as they navigate a bureaucratic nightmare that prevents them from accessing their rightful jewels. Nowhere is the complexity of this neglect more visible than in the recent passing of Blessed Ugeza, the very former Senate member of Parliament, popularly known as Comrade Ugeza, a former member of the ZANU-PF Central Committee, died in exile in South Africa on 6 February 2026 after a long battle with cancer. His death is in a foreign land, away from the country he fought to liberate, has become a symbol of discarded hero. As a hair-scaring Comrade Bombshell moved through the dusty roads of Sanyati, the mood was one of the quiet defiance. For many veterans present, his fate dying in exile while battling a preventable illness mirrored their own fears. Global developments are pangwa ine pamusoro pekutsakatika kuruno kuitika these war veterans kurikona kwanza kuramba kuchiwedzera kana kuna section medu zafungura any more to pamusoro pechitwa ichi. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.